Ducati. Gracias, gracias. Muy grazie, grazie. Isn't that Italian? We're just gonna take a quick little break. But yeah, so we're out here on Broly. The training continues, but this training isn't in the hyperbolic time chamber. This is training outside, man, in the real world, real experience, real fighting, things like that. So we're hitting it hard. We're doing it raw. I don't know what that means, but it means something, right? Gosh, she's a beast. Look at her. But yeah, I'm just taking a break because once I start back, then it's gonna hit hard. And it's not like she's uncomfortable to ride or anything. It's nice to sometimes just not be on the bike and just be with the bike, but just like off the bike. If you hear that noise, she's just cooling herself down. She's been working hard. I just can't wait until the time where we can actually take her out and go, you know, balls to the wall and stuff like that. I still find it crazy how we've been that we even have her on the channel. Like, it's just, I don't know. It still hasn't hit me yet. I'm still like, you know, like it's not true or whatever. So many times I can't tell you. I just go in the garage, sit on the bike or sit on like Nimbus, and then stare at Broly. I can't believe it. But yeah, we gotta clean a lot of this stuff. I'm gonna let her have a couple more rides, a couple more training sessions, and then we'll foam her up and clean her down. I gotta do the chain and all that stuff too. Or probably not, because we're like 300 miles away from service anyways, or almost 300. So I can let them do it, and then from there I can take it over. Just a little break, not too much. Head back out, do our thing, Grizzly Gang. And for some reason, my hand really hurts. Like, not because of riding, but like something within here, I like pull something. So I get this like little electrical shock, or this kind of shock whenever I do something with this hand. And it's not because of riding, but I do feel it more whenever I'm like tucking my jacket or something like that. I don't know what I did to it. I think I slept on it, because I did sleep funky today. Like, I had a great sleep, but I just slept in weird ways, body position wise, so I think I heard it. I still get that thing, because I've never had a Ducati before, so I still get that thing where when it makes this noise, watch. Like it cranks up, I always feel like it's not gonna open. I don't know why, I just get that feeling. It will, hopefully, every single time. But it's just that thing in the back of my mind. I'm like, oh, what if it doesn't open? What if it doesn't open? And we're back on Broly. I will say this is a moped. This is not a moped, that was a moped. This is the first bike I've ever owned where neutral is like never been an issue. Like, when I remember when I had Nimbus for like the first, I don't know, honestly like 400 miles or so, neutral was so hard to find. After that it became easy. Once you kind of broke in the quick shifter and auto blipper and stuff, you broke it in, then it became easy. But for the longest time, it was pure agony trying to find neutral. With this bike though, we have the issue of the kickstand, which we can fix easily. There's a mod you can buy to fix the kickstand, because it's really hard to bring the kickstand down when you're wearing riding boots, and I always ride with riding boots, so that's one thing that we need to fix. Otherwise we're gonna look like an idiot or the rider. So yeah, we never had an issue on Nimbus with the kickstand, but we have it with this one. Broly. Broly's the youngin', man. Youngest in the entire homie, entire squad, my entire brothel, no, my entire harem, no, and all my groupies. Broly is the youngest. We're about to have a lot of fun on Broly, because we're about to rip them streets. And now we gotta keep an eye on it, because every time that I've been riding a little bit differently, I guess. I really don't know. But I have, I guess, been driving a little bit differently. So the light for the fuel comes on at different times. The very first time it came on 75 miles, I believe. Second time, I don't remember. Third time, which I believe is today, I accidentally, when I was switching modes, I accidentally reset it. Because I was switching modes while I was riding, so I reset that. Which kind of sucks, but I can actually figure it out while I watch the video, add in the miles, what was on there, and then what was on there after I reset it. I want to say we got at least 85 miles, I want to say. Oh no, 90 miles, 90 some miles, I want to say, which is close to what Nimbus gets. The first time we had to put gas in here right at 75, but that was because I didn't fill her up, so I didn't know how much the other person filled her up. These mirrors aren't that good, man. We gotta switch them out. Because right now when I wanted to switch lanes, it was vibrating so much I couldn't see this black bar is coming. Then I finally saw the lights, because the lights are off too. I just saw some black thing shaking and I was like, was that a car or not? So yeah, we gotta fix the mirrors, man. Otherwise, we're not gonna be able to tell. Oh my god, look at all those cars coming. And a school bus? Seriously? We can get effed. so gonna get effed. Like, I can work the clutch, ain't got no stalls yet, but it still needs adjustment. But we haven't decided what we're gonna be doing for levers. Seriously? Come on, man. Road's supposed to be empty. This is a long line of cars. Yeah, we're gonna get effed. This is insane. I guess we're gonna do some low gear stuff, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, but school bus, you're leaving, but we still got all these douchebags. Some dude walking in a bathrobe. Dude, you're walking in a dress. Well, at least we're not stuck behind him. Come on, guys. What the hell? I keep giving this road chances today and he keeps failing me. And we're all braking for some reason. Why are we braking? There is nothing happening on the road. Dude, why are you looking to your left? Look straight and drive, you douchebag. I can see his head. Like, legit, there is no traffic or like no lights on this road. Traffic lights, construction's over. Why are you going slow? I feel like it's time that we cut off the footage and I do some cuts. Broly's ready for it, and I got a handle on it. So I think it's time for some cuts. Oh, this is the worst, man. Especially this guy in front of me. Something about him, I just don't like him. His car, everything about him. We can never be friends. Even if you're a subscriber, we can never be friends. There's just some stuff you did over there when your driving abilities, just we can never be friends. So let us hope you're not a subscriber, because that would hurt me, but I have to stay true to my word. That, or you promise to me right now that you're not gonna drive like that anymore, like a douchebag. I just want one run on this road where I can just go heavy, go ham. Just can't get it though. This is truly pathetic, man. Truly pathetic. I'm sorry, guys. I really thought this road would be empty for us. It's not though. It's just not. I'm just not in the mood to talk right now, because this is just, come on. Look at all those cars. The worst, man. Come on, motorcycle rider. Come on, you got the entire road open and you're gonna go that slow? F you then, yeah, go that slow. This road's looking really nice. Empty, empty, empty. So we're not gonna go all the way, we're gonna turn around. An open road. I just had to wait for all the cars to pass, and then we got this in front of us. Place where these cars might turn. After that, we're gonna gun the hell out of Broly, because I cannot take this any longer. And if not, they don't turn, then we take it in our own hands. Please, everyone turn. Please, everyone turn. Yes. Okay, the one that I thought wouldn't turn, turned. The ones that I thought would turn, didn't turn. Sir, please, either go faster or pull over. The road is completely empty. Come on, man. I need a straight, and I can cut. I can't see if there's a car coming or not. So much fun could have been had if these this little couple of cars that were in front of us weren't here. Every time there's a straight, there's a car always coming on the other side. That's why I can't cut. Cars keep coming. And the thing is that we're going to be zooming on Broly because the training recommends that. So we're going to catch up to cars so quick. Alright, we're pretty much near the end. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to pull up ahead, wait for some good amount of traffic to go. When I see a good big gap, then we'll blaze it like a mug. Because see, we don't want this. You see this? We don't want this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't want that. Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want to be stuck behind an 18-wheeler. nor do we want to be stuck behind all these douchebags coming up right now on us. Don't worry, we got something coming. We're just gonna stay right here. We're gonna stay right here for a good amount of time before we're gonna head back on the road. Give a little gap for everyone to go, because at the moment, if we don't leave a gap, what's gonna happen is, see, this gap looks nice, right? Looks good, looks everything, but we need more of a gap. So what we're gonna do, this is gonna be our last run. We got an 18-wheeler up there, not 18-wheeler, but a big old truck, because once we start zooming, so this gap looks nice, but I'm gonna cover it like anything. So we're just gonna wait a little bit, not too long, just a little bit. We'll blaze. We're just gonna be on our phone for a little while. 2 minutes should be enough. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be waiting, right? So mini cars will still come up and stuff. That's not a problem. We just need 18 wheelers and stuff like that to be out the way. We'll get a good gap, don't worry. Done it before, I can do it again. And if not, then if not. If not, then not. And that's just how it is. And we're just gonna have to take the L for today, that we weren't able to do what we wanted to accomplish, which was just one hard run. That's all I'm asking. There's always that sweet spot. You just gotta wait for it. There's always that sweet spot. You know, like I'm coming down this road, and for a long time we don't see any riders coming down, or any drivers, or anybody. So we just gotta wait for that sweet spot. It'll come. Just have to be calm, and it'll come. It'll come. And it did not work out the way I wanted to, because you have another 18-wheeler coming up through, and they take ages. It's okay though. I believe our time will come. We just have to wait a little bit longer because the 18-wheeler, but that's fine. It's fine. It'll work. All right, so we're gonna take a chance. Take a chance on me. God, that's my favorite. Watch. That's my favorite. Once this goes, it should be open for a while. And we're gonna go for that right there. I've done this before. It didn't take this long. I don't know why there's so much traffic today. It walks. Trust me, it walks. I've done it before. Come on. Okay. Alright, so our plan for waiting didn't really work because there's just too many cars today. I don't know, I'm not gonna wait for like 15 minutes. Usually you just gotta wait for like this whole pack of cars to go, and then it should be fine. But apparently we just can't get a break. Today's not our day. We got a mini patch. Make the most of it. I didn't drop it down in any gears or anything because there's no point. If I drop it in gears, I'll just go faster. Yeah, today we'll take an L on Broly's training because this is, well, I guess we're getting some fun in low gears, right? For low revs, low RPMs. Well, either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We tried our best. This is such an amazing place, but today is just too much traffic even on a work day. So it is what it is. We do our best, and then our goal is to get back home safely, which hopefully we will, and then come out again to ride another day. Training will continue, videos will continue. Hope you guys continue to enjoy them though, that's the thing. But until next time, this is Riding Insane. Remember to drive safe, ride safe. And remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. Until next time, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the ride though. I'm gonna keep posting the ride, so enjoy the ride for those who want to watch it. So right now what we got is one car blocking everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cars, me 11, one behind me 12. One car is creating a jam for 12 cars, which I wouldn't mind if I was in front of that car causing the jam, but we're not. Like, you want to go that slow, it's fine. Just pull over, let everyone else go, and then go slow. It's not a big deal. Look at that. Oh, he's so angry. This is the guy who was holding everyone up. It's all these stupid construction people. Learn how to drive, man. We'll get the F off the road. Just wait. God, just wait. Reality is what you say it is. Okay, I think all these people here are idiots. sometimes you just can't take it. I'm not telling you to go 110, 120, but at least go the speed limit. And if you can, then get the hell out the way. And the only gear we can do all this in is 6th, otherwise it revs too hard. Enough of this slow crap, man. That was some good training, that was worth it.